What is up, everybody? Hope y'all are having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a little bit since I've posted a new video, but I just got finished washing the Envoy and I wanted to share with you a quick detailing product that I actually picked up at a car show. It was kind of a freebie giveaway, and the product is this Majestic Solutions quick detail. This is for tires, bumpers, bumper guards, door jambs, vinyl, body moldings, engine compartment, etc. So I'm going to give it a try on my running boards here. As you can see, my running boards are pretty sun faded and worn out, and this is after a wash. So this is what they look like after I gave them a wash. Now I've already went ahead and sprayed some of this detailing spray on the back half of the running boards, and you can tell the difference. This is a night and day difference. So I wanted to show you just real quickly, and this is not going to be a full-blown product review, but I just again wanted to show you this product. Again, like I said, I picked it up at a car show. I've been really impressed with it, so I'm going to put it on this half of the running board. I want to show you how it goes on, and I want to show you what it looks like after everything is all said and done. So this stuff here, you can spray it on, you can buff it out, or you can just let it dry. Let's see what it says here. Great final detail product, spray on, buff dry to a like new shine. So let's give it a try. Missed a spot. There we go. Alright, so as you can see there, that was just a really quick spray with this quick details from Majestic Solutions. And let me show you something really quickly here on the back bumper. So I've already washed my car, and my rear bumper protector plastic piece thingy here, I actually sprayed this after my last car wash, and I have not sprayed this yet today. So this is what it looks like, and I sprayed that probably, gosh, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks or so ago, and it's actually held up really well. So let me just go ahead and spray this. So I don't know how well you can see the shine on that, but it is actually pretty shiny, and I guess you can buff it out to give it a little more shine, but I'm just going to let it air dry, and that'll just give it some protectant from the sun. I don't know if this is UV protectant or not, but it is a pretty good product. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, and I may end up spraying my side mirrors. I may end up spraying that molding right there around where the windshield wipers go, and I may also spray some of the interior pieces. But again, Majestic Solutions quick detail spray. I just wanted to show you guys this product. I'm actually really happy with it. This is not a paid endorsement or anything like that. This is just a really good product that I've used for the past month or so. Really happy with it, and I wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the next one.